All right, so it's another MacBook Pro video, and today is the 16-inch, the monster, the beast, I don't even know what you want to call this thing. It is the 16-inch MacBook Pro, and it's from the Refurbished store. It's not brand new. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Ooh. Ooh. I've actually bought a few things from the Refurbished store by Apple. I haven't bought any of their laptops, it's all been iPhones, so I'm quite interested to see how impressive their refurbished process is, how rigorous it is. I've never owned a MacBook bigger than 13 inches, so this is going to be a surprise for me. Come on. Ooh, look at this. Oh yeah. This smells good. This smells expensive too. Ooh, it has some weight to it. We got the nice USB-C cable. I think this is a Thunderbolt 3 cable as well. We have designed by Apple in California. This box, ugh! Okay, that box smells horrendous. So the power adapter is 96 watts USB-C, also has some heft to it. Good. The MacBook Pro 16-inch. This thing is a tank. All right, let's go ahead and get this unraveled. Dude, I'm just having the conversations I've had with my friend with this laptop. I told him if I open this thing up, I'm gonna love it. And honestly, I love it already. Oh, I'm doing this wrong. I'm sorry. There we go. Ooh. No Apple logo? Oh, there's the Apple logo. Get this off the desk. You are not allowed. Wow. This is incredible. The trackpad, it's like the size of my face. Look how big this trackpad is. The speaker grills are massive. Oh. It's so smooth. It's so smooth. Oh my goodness. Whoa.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
This display is... Wow. Can we get some French, please?
Pour utiliser le français comme langue principale, appuyez sur la touche Entrée.
Perfect. Spanish?
Para usar español de España como el idioma principal, pulsa la tecla Intro.
Italian.
Per usare l'italiano come lingua principale, premi il tasto a capo.
I love listening to different languages. Turkish?
Ana dil olarak Türkçeyi kullanmak için return tuşuna basın.
I think that's Turkish. And then look, I click on Russian, nothing. Apple, get a Russian voice actor, please. All right, back to English.
Language. Press the return key.
That's Siri right there. That's the Siri I know. Man, this display. Oh my goodness. It's this display. This is outrageous. Who needs a machine this big? Oh, I forgot I have 6 cores. All right, so iCloud is setting up now. I'm going to have to read through the terms and conditions. I'm sure everyone does this when they read the terms and conditions. They just see this and hit agree because, you know, I don't know where I was going with that, but I know people don't read terms and conditions. So I know I've just been really happy throughout this entire video, and I wanted to give you guys a little more information about the refurbished and clearance section of the applestore.com. And I'm just going to read off on what I see on their website so you guys can understand what exactly you're getting from the refurbished store. So you get a like new device with genuine Apple replacement parts as needed. So for example, if the battery was bad or if the display was bad, they would replace that with the genuine Apple part. And I think that's what really makes the refurbished store really nice. It's not like they're adding in third-party parts back into their phone. So you're basically getting a brand new device, if I'm gonna be honest. So all iOS devices, so that would be your iPod, your iPhones, and I kind of want to include iPad in there as well because iPad used to be iOS back in the day. And it comes with a new battery and a new outer shell. So if you do get refurbished, you're getting a new battery. You also get 1-year warranty, which is really nice with the refurbished. I know with some products you only get like 30 days, but with Apple you're getting 1 year. You can also get Apple Care as well. So if you want to add that into your additional purchase, you can still purchase Apple Care with your refurbished product. Okay, so another thing I want you guys to know, because this again is from the refurbished store, I'll have to show you guys on screen, but the cycle count for this battery is only 3. So either they replace the battery and they refresh the recycle count, or the person who didn't want this computer used it and then returned it. And I've got to say thank you, because I needed this. This is basically brand new, guys, seriously. Why did I decide to go refurbish? So if I were to buy this computer brand new, it would be, I don't know the prices off the top of my head, but I think it starts at $2,400. Add the tax, it's $2,500. And to be honest, I'm not a person who really likes to buy a lot of brand new things. I'm a person who likes to buy used or stuff that's on clearance. Like if I were to go in like Walmart or Target, the first place I always go to is the clearance section. And if I can't find it in clearance, then to be honest, I probably don't have a reason to be in that store anyway. But I decided to look in the refurbished store for MacBook specifically, and I'm upgrading from my 2012 MacBook Pro. And I saw this one at around $2,000. Am I dumb? I don't know. I really don't know. Oh, come on. But the keyboard overall is really good. It's probably just gonna be something I have to get used to. But overall, wow. Wow. Look at Catalina on this display. It is beautiful. Looking at this display on a MacBook is crazy to me. Wow. Now I want to do a quick speaker test. Okay. Oh my goodness, this laptop. Okay. I don't even know what to say. I really don't even know what to say anymore. I'm honestly at a loss of words for this computer. I am holding back all the excitement I have, even though I should be showing it on camera. I never thought a computer like this would be sitting in front of me today. And I just have to say, I am impressed. And I cannot wait to use this computer to see the capabilities that it can produce. But I've got to say, I'm just not a fan of 16-inch computers. I've always been a fan of 13 inches. I just think 15 and 16 is a little bit too big. But now that it's in front of me, I don't even care anymore. Wow, this trackpad is massive. Like, I can go to both sides of the screen with one swipe. Wow. Let me watch YouTube. Let me watch YouTube real quick. Let me watch YouTube. This is incredible. I feel like I'm walking through Lithuania. Look at this. Let me turn this up. How do I unmute this? Wow. Wow. This is incredible. This is incredible. Wow. Lithuania. I'm coming. I'm coming. So this is the refurbished MacBook Pro 16-inch, essentially brand new from the Apple refurbished store. Like I said, I've bought refurbished phones from Apple for their iPhones. They've all been wonderful. But now that I've moved on to the MacBook, I have to say I am really, really impressed by this computer. So I would say that if you are deciding between buying a laptop, please go and check out the refurbished store. I would say products within the last year are still relatively relevant. That's kind of redundant. but they're just still really good products, and you're getting it at a much deeper discount than buying brand new. Like this one brand new in the store with tax is like $2,500. So this was $500 off, and I'm getting basically everything brand new. So if you are kind of weary about buying stuff from like the used section or clearance refurbished, don't be. Apple has your back, and if anything, if you decide that you don't want it, you want to buy new, you can always return it. But this is a beauty. This is a beauty. That's going to do it for me today, guys. If you did like the video, please make sure to leave a like. Share it with your friends if you want them to see what the refurbished store is like. Did I already say leave a like? Probably. Leave a comment. I'll probably try to respond to you. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. But as always, guys, much love. This computer... All right, this video has to end. 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 This video has